Now I'm going on my second day on the hike. I'm gonna try to grab some more shots. See ya. I'm here, that's where I'm going, that's where I want to take shots with the drone. It's like 13 kilometers, it's a pretty short hike. I'm in the nature reserve of Ålidhem or something like that. Sorry for my Swedish, but it's very nice. And I want to take a drone shot here, but it's quiet, windy, and sometimes it goes like pretty strong. But with what I did yesterday, I think it will be fine. Gotcha. The cover of the wind, let's take the lunch break. So now I ran out of battery on the drone. I can't really take more shots for today, excluding I might have a few minutes of battery more, and there's a specific shot at the end basically of the trail that I want to take. My plan is to basically use the last minute of battery for this shot, and that's it. Okay, so that's the view. I didn't dare to go too high or to go too far because it was starting to be very windy up there and the battery was really low. So I think it's gonna look okay, at least something better than from the ground. We'll see. bus. But it's fine, because two things. First of all, I have the next bus and I will be in time back home. And the second things, look over there, found the plug. So I'm gonna steal some electricity here to charge the Mavic battery. Maybe I can take some shot. I have 1 hour to wait, so let's see how much battery I can get. Got some battery. Hiking and all these kind of things, well then just for this channel, because that's what I'm doing. I'm in the south of Sweden. I'm doing the trail called the Skåneleden. I think it's awesome. If you like it, if you enjoy the view, you can also find all my GPS data so that you can also go where I went if you want to. You know, if you're looking for the things, the GPS data are down there. And now I have this drone and it's gonna promise to be even more awesome.